How to fix operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus error. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software error on Windows. This usually happens when Windows security blocks a file you know is safe. So let's fix that step by step. First, go to your Windows search bar and type in virus and threat protection. Open it up. Once you're in, scroll down a little and click on protection history. This is where Windows keeps a log of all the files it recently blocked. Now check if the file you tried to run shows up here. If it does, click on it. You'll see an option like Actions, click that, and if it says Allow, go ahead and allow the file by simply turning it on. That should remove it from the quarantine. Next, go back to the main virus and threat protection screen. Scroll down again and click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now this is important. Turn off real-time protection. You can also toggle off cloud-delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protection just to be safe. But don't forget to turn them back on once you're done installing your file. Once you've disabled those temporarily, go ahead and try installing or opening your file again. It should work this time without being blocked. That's it. If the issue is resolved, make sure to re-enable your protection settings afterward to keep your system safe. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.